Welcome to Renovate. Today, we'll be examining the best welding helmets. The Lincoln Electric K33711, also known as the Viking Industrial Passive Black Welding Helmet, offers basic and consistent protection with its fixed shade 11 lens. This makes it an economical choice for various welding applications, including stick, TIG, MIG, and flux corded processes. Its large 4-inch by 5-inch viewing area provides a broad field of vision, essential for clear visibility during welding tasks. The helmet features a sleek matte black finish and includes a decal sheet for customization. On the downside, the fixed shade of the Viking limits its versatility compared to auto-darkening helmets, which can adjust to different brightness levels. Additionally, the helmet's heavier weight of 19.8 ounces might be less comfortable for prolonged use, particularly compared to lighter models. In conclusion, the Lincoln Electric Viking is a solid, affordable option for students and hobbyists needing reliable protection. While it may lack the advanced features of higher-end models, its durability and large viewing area make it a valuable tool for basic welding needs. Check out the link in the description below the video for more details and a purchase on Amazon. The Jackson Safety 280PL welding helmet is designed for professional welders who require durability, comfort, and versatility in their gear. Constructed from super tough nylon, it offers lightweight yet robust protection against the rigors of welding environments. The helmet features a high-impact polycarbonate window that meets ANSI standards, ensuring excellent protection from flying debris and sparks. However, some users note that the helmet's weight distribution could be more balanced, especially during extended wear. This minor issue aside, this model is highly praised for its durable construction and ease of use in various welding applications, including overhead and confined space work. To sum up, the 280PL welding helmet is an excellent choice for professionals seeking reliable protection and enhanced functionality in their welding gear. Its blend of lightweight design, durable materials, and innovative features like the spring-loaded lift front make it a valuable asset in demanding welding environments. For more details or to purchase, check out the Amazon link in the video description below. The Jackson Safety TRANSLIGHT 555 is designed for professional welders seeking advanced features and superior performance. It features a large viewing area of 3.86 inches by 3.23 inches and boasts an impressive ADF filter with a 1:1:1:1 optical clarity rating, ensuring clear visibility without distortion. This helmet offers swift switching speeds of 1/25,000th of a second, reducing eye strain and enhancing safety during welding operations. It includes an external shade adjuster that allows precise shade adjustments in increments as fine as 0.2, accommodating various welding environments and techniques. While this model excels in clarity and functionality, some users may find its premium pricing to be a potential drawback. Additionally, although lightweight, some users might prefer even lighter models for extended wear without fatigue. In conclusion, the TRANSLIGHT helmet is a top choice for professionals and serious enthusiasts looking for reliability and performance. Its exceptional optical clarity, rapid switching speeds, and ergonomic design make it suitable for a wide range of welding applications, from industrial settings to artistic projects. For more details or to purchase, you can find it on platforms like Amazon and specialized welding equipment retailers. The Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 is a premium auto-darkening welding helmet designed to meet the rigorous demands of professional welders. It features an expansive viewing area of 3.74 inches by 3.15 inches, which offers a clear and unobstructed view of the welding area. The helmet boasts a top-tier optical clarity rating of 1:1:1:1, ensuring minimal distortion and accurate color recognition, crucial for welders working with different materials and processes. While highly praised for its optical performance and ergonomic design, some users may find its weight of 25.12 ounces slightly heavier compared to other models, which could lead to fatigue during prolonged use. Additionally, the helmet's premium features, including the multiple sensors and grind mode, contribute to its higher price point. In conclusion, the Viking stands out as a top-tier choice for professional welders seeking superior optics and reliable performance. Its robust construction and advanced features make it ideal for various welding environments, from heavy fabrication to structural welding. For more details and current pricing, you can find the product on Amazon through the link in the video description below. The 3M Speedglas FA III SAR combines advanced respiratory protection with high-quality optics, designed specifically for welding environments. It features a lightweight V100 vortex air cooling valve that allows welders to reduce the temperature of air entering the headpiece, enhancing comfort during hot and strenuous jobs. The integrated 3M Speedglas welding helmet 9100 Air includes the 9100 XXI Auto-Darkening filter, which offers improved optics for better color recognition compared to previous models. This helps welders focus on precise welding techniques and inspections. Despite its robust features, some users may find this model relatively expensive compared to other welding respirators. Additionally, the system requires a belt-mounted air supply and may not be suitable for all welding applications due to its specific design for supplied air environments. In conclusion, the FA3 is an excellent choice for welders seeking advanced respiratory protection and enhanced optical clarity in their welding helmets. Its ergonomic design and intuitive controls make it a reliable tool for professional welders tackling complex welding tasks. For more details and purchasing options, check the Amazon link in the video description below the review. The 3M Speedglas G5-01 helmet is equipped with a variable lens shade ranging from 8 to 14, providing flexibility for different welding applications. It boasts a comfortable viewing area of 2.8 inches by 4.3 inches, coupled with ANSI certification for impact resistance and optical clarity. This model is designed with a lightweight profile that facilitates ease of use in confined welding environments, complemented by an adjustable airflow system that allows welders to direct airflow as needed. Potential drawbacks include its higher price point, which may be a consideration for occasional or hobbyist welders. Additionally, while the advanced features cater to professional needs, they may exceed the requirements of users with less frequent welding demands. In summary, the G5-01 stands out as a reliable choice for professional welders seeking superior protection and comfort. Its adjustable lens shade, ample viewing area, and robust construction make it suitable for intensive welding tasks. For those interested in purchasing, you can find more details and current pricing through the Amazon link provided in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with future content. And feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring.